Hello, I'm Brianna, one of the dietitians here at Watch on Pediatrics, and today for Tasty Tuesday, we'll be going through a very simple recipe for energy bites. In this recipe, there are several ingredients that can be easily switched out depending on everyone's allergy. For example, the peanut butter can get switched out for almond butter or cashew butter, or the protein powder can get switched out for Greek yogurt. This recipe can be enjoyed by all different ages and can be a quick snack or something to consume before or after an activity. I hope you enjoy.